Hello dear customers of SMS-MAN, and today I'd like to speak with you about Instagram. Instagram is a photo and video sharing social network owned by an American company named Meta Platforms. The app allows users to post any media that can be organized with hashtags, edited with filters, and moreover be associated with any location. The post can be shared publicly or with the pre-approved followers. You can easily get an app on your iOS device through Apple Store, or if you use Android you can easily get it through Google Play. To log in you just need to pass the verification using your phone number or email. And if we're speaking about phone numbers, our service SMS-MAN is what you need. Now I'll show you how you can easily pass the verification using our virtual numbers. And let's go. Here, as you can see, we need a new phone number. Go into our website, choosing Turkey just for an example. Choosing Instagram service and pressing Buy button. Next, entering the number. Go back to our site and press Receive SMS. That's our confirmation code. Enter it. Need to wait a little bit. And now we're in. Today, I showed you how you can easily pass the verification in Instagram using our SMS-MAN service. So, stay in touch, press like buttons, subscribe, and so on. Goodbye.